All right. So, did anybody have any questions on the assignment?
Nope.
Nope.
No, not that I can think of. At least not off the top of my head.
Did anybody figure out what the answer was for that one question we missed on the last quiz? If it was number 9.
I did. I'd have to go back and look at it.
Yeah, same.
Just wondering what it was.
How do you guys do on the test?
I got 77%. I didn't do too good.
You got like an 89. 89.
I got an 82.
I don't know what was wrong with me. Probably because I'm still sick and I just went through it really quick. And I was like, let's end this because I still had another 2-hour test to take.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we can go ahead and get started going through the quiz. Oh, Faust, actually, I do have something else that I need to go through. Give me 1 second. I gotta find this.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody got the email about the final project, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So Brother Esplin wanted us to make sure that we download the attachments that were with it. That's the false thing. So for the final project, Gina, was it you or was it
I
you,
sent
Alex?
the text. I sent a text on a sample one on weather forecast.
Okay. Cool.
But we could do anything. That's just kind of a sample to get us kind of going in the right direction.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Yeah. I mean, it's better than any idea I've got right now. So yeah, we can work on that. How do you guys want to go about doing it? Like, who do you want to have be like the head of it? Like, who wants to lead it?
Just don't all jump at once.
Right?
Because the way that Brother Espen kind of suggests is so we have like a main writer, the person who like actually uploads the document, and then someone who, well, I personally think that we should all just kind of meet up when we can and figure out everything else for each step of the way. I don't think it'll take like way too long or anything.
I don't think so either.
But yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I think if we each take a section or a week, and focus, one of us take it that week and focus on finishing that part, and then the next person will take another week, and so on and so forth, that we'll all have a chance to lead it, if you will.
yeah. Yeah, that's fine. So as far as the stages, so the first one's going to be due on the 10th. So I think if that works with you guys, we could do sorry, I'm just looking through my emails. So the first due date is the 10th, and we have to do design the study. So it sounds like we already pretty much have it done. I think I have to look at it a little more and see what else we'll have to do. But we could figure out the rest of the details next time we meet if that works with you guys.
Yeah.
And then let me scroll up. Does anyone know how to make a Google Doc?
A Google Doc? No.
I did it once, but I don't. No, remember exactly.
Yeah,
I'll
because
try.
that's something that we should do, but I don't know how.
Try OneDrive and share.
Okay, so I'll look into it a little bit and I'll see what we could possibly do for that. And so we already talked about a project idea about the weather. And okay, that's all. So now we can go ahead and do the quiz.
Okay.
Cool.
So do you want me to, let me see. Do you want me to write the design of the study?
You could, well, the only thing is like, cause I want us all to be like a part of it. I think that's what he wanted.
Okay, that's fine.
So, I mean, if you want, you could kind of put it together since you're the one that kind of came up with it. You could start piecing it together and then we can all kind of,
We can discuss it on Thursday.
yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right, so let's get started on the quiz.
Yeah, there's a lot. I have a lot of it already done, but there's a few that I got wrong.
Okay. Which ones did you get wrong?
Let's see. I redid them, so I mean I can.
Oh,
Um,
okay. Good.
I mean I submitted. I haven't resubmitted at all. So I was just gonna see what you guys get. I got 7 wrong. I got 8 wrong. And 12 and 13. And so I redid them after I submitted it and I got different answers. So maybe those will be right.
Well, I have for number 3, I have C.
Yeah.
C, yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm. 4, I have C as well.
C,
Yep.
Yeah.
5, I have sample propulsion.
I have true.
Oh,
I have true.
yeah, because I was looking through the textbook and okay.
Yeah, the textbook's kind of confusing sometimes.
Well, because like, okay, so right here at the very top, it says, okay, they're talking about the election held today. Which candidate would you most likely support? And they surveyed 1,024, and it asks, what's the formula for the propulsion? And then it has that P sign, and it's like, okay, so then it's a sample because that's a sample. That's not the population, but okay. So then
And I
N
have
more of
sample size.
Yeah. And then 7 I got wrong. So I think it's 4. I know it's not 1, so don't put 1. Heads up.
Let me see.
This one was confusing because I was like,
Test on the process of elimination. But I'm correct.
Equals.
That's
so
1.
N is 4 and X is 565. Oh yeah, it would have to be 4.
yeah. I think that's what I was gonna put, and I was just like, I think I was overthinking it. I was like, well, you could, that's like 25%. So I'm like, you could have.
Yeah, because it could be 4, 8, 12, Actually, it couldn't be 12. Yes, it could.
Because I think I was just thinking it too much, and so I was like, one. I mean, like 0.25. You
Is
know,
it
would be
4 or
1/4.
40?
It's 4
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 4 as well.
because to get 1/4, like you can't get 1/4 with a whole number with 3, because I mean a fourth of 3 is going to be a decimal or a fraction.
0.75, right.
Yeah, so has to be a whole number because you can't have like half a human. So
Right. Yeah. I just overthought
Yeah.
it, and I was like,
yeah, no, especially after that
why?
last
Duh.
everything.
Yeah, it's 4 for sure. I think
Mhm,
I got
okay.
12 for the next one.
12.
Well,
Yeah.
For 8?
Yeah. Because it'd be 0.5. And so the mean
Isn't
for 0.5 would be 12.4.
0.4?
It wouldn't be, I don't think it'd be 0.4 because
That's
it,
the population. That's not the population of the. I mean that.
that's just
What am I saying? It's the
the proportion.
of just the sample.
Yeah. And so that's the true. And this is the sample proportion would be, but it's asking for the mean, not the proportion of it. It's asking for the mean. That makes sense. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys got?
I'm thinking it's 0.4. The 0.4, but I don't know.
Because it can't be point. I don't think it can be 0.4. It'd have to be 0.5 because the sample size is not large enough
All right.
for it to be equal to the p. And so default would be 0.5.
So in the textbook it says mean of p. The mean of the. I don't know what they call that sign. The sign with the
Yeah.
p with like an arrow over it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, so it just equals p
P
Right.
up.
at 0.4.
Yeah, that's what I have.
And
Okay.
then the formula for the standard deviation is a little more complicated. So that would be, let's see.
I have 0.1.
Did you get it
Yep,
right?
0.
Yeah, I got it
0.1.
right.
Okay. Okay. So for 10, it's 0.3.
3.5. 0.35.
5.
Okay.
How about 0.046?
I had 0.49.
I had
0.049.
0.046.
And I got it right. So for that one.
For 11?
Yeah. 0.049 is what I got.
Hmm. Did you get 1.087?
Sorry, for which one?
12.
I
1.
got 1.021.
I got 1.087.
Hmm. I know it's not 1.0 10. I know that.
Oh. And then you get 0.139 for 13.
13, I got 0.846.
Did you get it right?
No, that's my new calculation. My other calculation was 0.844, and that was wrong.
You guys on fault team?
13.
Okay.
13. I got 0.139.
Because it'd be at least, so you'd have to do the middle too. Right?
Only 13.
Because it's asking if it would be at least.
Right.
Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah.
And 14, I got 0.011.
Yeah. Yep. That's what I got
Okay.
too.
So for fault team 1-3, we got 0.139, right?
.139.
Okay.
For 15, I have negative 1.791.
0.79. Oh, I got, yeah. 3 decimals, yeah.
Yeah. And that one's right.
And 16, you got 0.037.
Yep.
All right.
So I have a question real quick. Let me find it real fast. For question 11, because I also got 0.046 when I calculated it out. So how did you get 0.049?
That's what I got.
Like, I trust you that it's right. I just want to know how.
That's a good question.
Because like I did the formula, and like 0.0458.
Yeah, if you round 4, 6. Yeah.
Here, 1 second. I have to go here in a second, but let me, redo that. Yeah, because I put it in and it says it's right. So,
You got it right.
yeah, that's what I calculated and it says it's right. So that's yeah. So we got.
I submitted and with my answers that I thought were right, and I got 100. And mine says 0.46, and I got it right.
Oh, so it's
So
probably
how-
being about.
So
That's,
how is yours right and ours, and both of ours are right?
it's probably you're probably giving wiggle room.
Uh,
True. You can put whatever you want, maybe.
so when you resubmitted, did you get 100?
Wait, how did I miss two?
I haven't resubmitted yet. I just
There was another one because I got 100, and there's another one I questioned.
Here, give me a second.
7, you put 4 and you got it right, correct?
Let me see. No, I put for 7, I put 40 because you
40.
guys said 4.
Okay.
I got it right. So you may get 4 right if they're doing room or something. But I put 40 and I got it right.
Okay.
okay. That makes sense because then it'd be normal because it's a large enough sample. That makes sense.
So I got 12 wrong.
What'd you have?
Did you get 7 right?
7.
Just curious.
No, I got 7 wrong as well. Wait,
Yeah, it's
why?
40.
It's
The size
4?
has to be large enough.
0.
It's 40.
Huh.
What did you get for 12?
I got 1.087. And I
And
got
that
it
was
right.
right?
Yeah.
I got
Okay.
1.021 and that was wrong.
Oh man, my leg.
So why does 7 have to be 40?
Because the sample size needs to be large enough for it to be normal.
Right.
Mm. So it can never be end authority?
Not if you're going to have a normal sample size.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Well,
Cool. Yeah, I got 100. So
Yay.
thank you. Thank you.
yeah. All right. I know you got to get going. So
Yeah, for
Right.
sure.
next time we'll just go over like the extra stuff to make sure that we can turn in our assignment on time.
Yeah,
Sounds
Okay.
good.
definitely. You guys want to meet
Okay.
tomorrow for that then, or?
I'm
I-
available if we need to.
I am too.
All right. I'll have to double check. So I'll let you know if I'll show up sometime tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll check my schedule and let you guys know. Just send me a text.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah, 'cause
All right.
I'm off tomorrow, so let me know.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
Hey, want to send me your name so that I can include it in Doris, or want to send me your last name so that I can include you in the when I turn it in?
Yes, I will. I will text it to you. It's in my
Okay.
email.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Yeah, I can
Okay.
include you then.
Thank you, Kyle. I appreciate you very much.
Not a problem.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah.